Imagine waking up in a world where AI can translate conversations in your ears, cook your food, watch your home, understand your pets, and even move around your house like a real assistant. Well, that future is already here. In today's video, we're counting down 10 insane AI inventions you can buy right now that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. From futuristic humanoid robots and AI-powered gadgets to smart devices that can learn, react, and interact in real time. These technologies are changing everyday life faster than ever before. Some of these devices are unbelievably smart, and a few are honestly kind of scary. So buckle up, because the future of AI starts right now. MOES AI Desktop Hub 5S is designed to be the ultimate command center for a modern smart home, bringing multiple systems together into one powerful desktop device. Instead of juggling separate apps and hubs, this all-in-one setup combines a touchscreen control panel, AI voice assistant, smart gateway, and media hub into a single centralized interface. From lighting and security cameras to sensors and home appliances, everything can be managed from one place with simple taps or voice commands. It supports multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, and infrared, making it compatible with a huge range of smart devices without needing extra hardware. The built-in AI assistant enables hands-free control, while features like live monitoring, smart scene automation, and instant alerts keep your home connected in real time. Designed to stay right on your desk, the MOES AI Desktop Hub 5S makes smart home management faster, simpler, and far more futuristic. Momax OneSense is a next-generation AI smart ring, designed to bring powerful health tracking into a tiny, lightweight wearable you can use all day long. Packed with advanced sensors, it continuously monitors important biometrics like heart rate, sleep quality, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, and daily activity without the bulk of traditional fitness devices. But this ring goes beyond simple tracking. Using AI-powered analysis, it studies your physiological signals to estimate stress levels, mood trends, and overall wellness patterns over time. Instead of overwhelming you with raw data, it transforms everything into easy-to-understand insights focused on your physical and emotional balance. It also includes gesture controls, allowing you to perform simple actions like controlling music or interacting with connected devices using hand movements. With water resistance, long battery life, and 24/7 monitoring support, Momax OneSense is built for everyday life, combining health, AI, and smart functionality into one sleek, futuristic ring. Zensbuds AI aren't just earbuds. They're like having a smart translator and personal assistant right in your ears. This next-generation device is designed to completely change how you communicate, especially across different languages. With real-time AI translation, you can talk to anyone naturally while your speech is instantly converted, making global conversations feel effortless. But it doesn't stop there. Zensbuds AI also comes with a built-in voice assistant that responds instantly to your commands, whether you need directions, quick information, or help with daily tasks, all without touching your phone. One of its most powerful features is the Smart Meeting Mode, which can record conversations, pick out key points, and generate clear summaries automatically. Whether you're traveling, working, or networking, this isn't just audio. It's a full AI-powered communication system designed to boost productivity and break language barriers like never before. The Humane AI Pin is a bold attempt to replace your smartphone with something far more futuristic and, surprisingly, minimal. Created by former Apple engineers, this tiny wearable clips magnetically onto your clothing and works without a traditional screen. Instead, it relies on voice commands, a built-in camera, and a unique laser projection system that displays information prima on your palm. Powered by advanced AI, it can handle calls, messages, translations, and real-time questions effortlessly, acting like a personal assistant you carry everywhere. What makes it even smarter is its ability to understand your environment using motion tracking and sensors, adapting its responses based on context. A small indicator light ensures transparency by showing when the device is active. With cloud-based processing and cellular connectivity, the Humane AI Pin delivers a seamless, hands-free experience, offering a glimpse into a future where screens might no longer be necessary. Claw Stage takes AI beyond screens and brings it into the real world with a physical, cube-shaped system that feels almost alive. Built on advanced computing architecture, this compact device acts as a real-world interface for intelligent agents that can see, hear, and respond instantly. With built-in cameras, microphones, and motion tracking, it understands its surroundings and reacts proactively instead of waiting for commands. What makes it truly unique is its continuous AI identity, which can move seamlessly between your phone, desktop, and the physical device while remembering everything. Its rotating design allows it to face you, creating a more natural and engaging interaction, almost like it has its own presence. It even supports customizable AI personalities and connects with smart home systems for automation. This isn't just a gadget, it's a step toward AI becoming a living, adaptive part of your everyday environment. This futuristic AI sleep device turns your ordinary pillow into a powerful smart health system, without you having to wear anything at all. Using a specially designed pillowcase and a compact AI pod placed beside your bed, it quietly tracks your sleep throughout the night. Advanced sensors monitor key signals like heart rate, breathing patterns, body movement, and even snoring, all without disturbing your rest. But the real magic happens in the morning. Its AI engine analyzes the data and delivers a simple, easy-to-understand report with personalized insights to improve your sleep quality. It can even detect irregular breathing patterns, helping you stay aware of potential long-term health concerns. Built-in AI coaching provides ongoing tips and feedback, guiding you toward better rest over time. With features like reminders and family sharing, this isn't just a pillow, it's a complete AI-powered sleep wellness system for modern living. LumioClaw is a futuristic AI desk companion designed to completely change how you study, without relying on screens. Instead of staring at a phone or laptop, this compact device sits on your desk and uses built-in cameras to analyze your books, notes, and worksheets in real time. It then projects helpful visuals onto your workspace, guiding you step by step with explanations, concept breakdowns, and interactive support exactly where you need it. Powered by vision-based AI, it understands what you're working on and adapts instantly, making learning feel more natural and personalized. By removing the need for apps or constant screen switching, it helps eliminate distractions and keeps your focus locked in. The result is a cleaner, smarter study environment that feels immersive and efficient. LumioClaw isn't just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of education, where AI becomes part of your physical learning space. PettiChat AI Pet Translator is a fascinating step toward finally understanding what your pet is trying to say. This smart wearable attaches directly to your pet's collar and continuously listens to sounds like barks, meows, whines, and more. Using advanced AI trained on massive datasets of animal behavior, it analyzes these sounds in real time and translates them into estimated emotions or intentions, giving you a whole new level of connection. But it doesn't stop there. PettiChat can also work in reverse, turning your voice into pet-like audio patterns to create a more interactive communication experience. Over time, it learns your pet's unique behavior, becoming more accurate with every interaction. Through its companion app, you can track translation history and monitor behavioral trends. Some versions even include location tracking and personalized insights, making it more than a translator. It's your pet's intelligent voice. COZYTIME LUMO is a futuristic AI-powered cooking system that brings restaurant-style grilling straight into your kitchen, without smoke, fire, or the usual mess. Instead of traditional heating, it uses advanced infrared optical technology to cook food with focused light energy, delivering faster, more even results while keeping the environment completely smoke-free. But the real game changer is its built-in AI cook pilot. Using an integrated camera, it recognizes what you're cooking and automatically adjusts temperature and timing for perfect results every time. Whether you're grilling, baking, or enjoying a tabletop BBQ experience, it handles everything in one compact device. One standout feature is its flavor module, designed to recreate that rich, smoky, char-grilled taste without producing actual smoke. Built for convenience and speed, COZYTIME LUMO transforms everyday cooking into a smarter, cleaner, and more efficient experience powered entirely by AI. EBO Max FamilyBot is a next-generation AI-powered home companion robot designed to bring together security, interaction, and smart assistance in one mobile system. Built with embodied AI, it can see, hear, and understand its environment using advanced cameras, microphones, and sensors. This allows it to recognize family members, pets, and even everyday household activity, while continuously learning from what it observes. With autonomous V-SLAM navigation, it can smoothly move through your home, patrol rooms, and even follow specific targets like pets or people. It also provides real-time alerts for unusual activity, adding an extra layer of home safety. Through 4K live streaming and two-way communication, you can check in and interact from anywhere in the world. Over time, it builds memory of routines and familiar faces, making its behavior more personalized. EBO Max FamilyBot isn't just a robot, it's a smart moving companion for modern living. SwitchBot. OneRH1 is a futuristic AI humanoid home robot designed to take household automation to a completely new level. Unlike typical smart devices, it features a humanoid upper body with arms and hands combined with a wheeled base for stable movement around the home. Built as a general-purpose assistant, it can handle a wide range of tasks instead of focusing on just one function. Powered by an advanced vision language action AI model, it can see its surroundings, understand objects, and physically interact with them. This means it can pick up items, open doors, and help organize your space. It also works seamlessly with other smart home devices, becoming part of a fully connected automation ecosystem. In demonstrations, it assists with chores, carries objects, and interacts with appliances. SwitchBot 1. H1 represents a future where robots don't just observe your home, they actively work inside it alongside you. Meet-LiLi is a small AI companion robot designed to bring a sense of calm, presence, and emotional connection right to your desk. Instead of focusing on productivity or complex apps, it's built to feel more like a gentle companion you can interact with throughout the day. Lily responds through soft movements, voice interaction, and simple visual expressions, creating a more natural and human-like experience without needing screens or complicated controls. Powered by natural language AI, it can hold casual conversations, answer questions, and engage in light, easy interactions that feel warm and approachable. Its design includes subtle lighting and expressive motion that gives it a living presence, especially during work, study, or relaxation. With proximity sensing, it reacts when you come near, making it feel more aware of its surroundings. It also handles basic reminders, but its real purpose is emotional comfort, blending AI with companionship in a simple, calming way.